Let's try to paint a blue flower like iris or lilies together. In this short video, I want to show you how to apply your watercolors to achieve that incredible bleeding effect. And as always, I'm starting with planning my composition. This is crucial to think about it in advance before you start painting. So I did a quick sketch and decided to put a few flowers, not just one. So it will be 2 big flowers and a few little small buds and of course some leaves around it. The background will stay white in this case. I do like to keep the paper as a background, especially if I'm painting some objects. It's not necessarily to fill it up with paint anyway. So as you can see, I start with watering a bit of a flower I'm going to paint. So use your clean brush and clean water just to create that area. Then with another brush, get more pigment and just blob it in that puddle of water. Then the miracles start to happen. Enjoy watching how the color bleeds and mixes with water. Creates incredible drawings by itself. You don't have to help it, but you still can control it. For my leaves, I'm using a bit more greener blue. I add a bit of green just to divide it from the flowers. Don't forget that you still can leave some pigment of the area you put it in while it's damp. Use your dry brush, napkin, and just create those little lines or lights or highlights you want to achieve. Look how I did it with the leaves. When it gets dry, it will be much, much lighter. So don't worry to go a bit too dark to begin with. You need to achieve some contrast. Look and notice how many shades of blue you can use, from really light blue to a really dark, dramatic blue. I decided to add some contrast to my painting, so I chose orange to put it next to blue. It's a contrast color combination. It will make it pop out and make the center of my flowers more vivid. When your painting starts to dry, you always can add more color to it just to increase that contrast or point to the curvy lines of your flowers. Contrast always makes it look amazing. And at the very end, I wanted to show you how you can use your liners. Not everywhere, just here and there, you can put that thin, beautiful, tiny lines around your drawing just to make it more stunning, just to point these accents here and there. Try it, it's not too hard, believe me, you will enjoy it.